Hi everyone, welcome back. This video is the continuation of parallel and perpendicular lines. I had done sum till number 7. Let's do some more sums, and please do watch the video till the end and practice the same sum from the exercise after watching the video. The more you practice, the more you learn the steps involved in solving the sums. Look at question number 8. Slightly different from other sums. The lines form 3 consecutive sides of a rectangle. Find the value of A and B. It is an important sum. You can draw the diagram at the side. 4-sided figure in which opposite sides are equal and the sides are inclined at 90 degree. Means that first line is perpendicular to second line. Second line is perpendicular to third line. That is the condition given in the question. So first one is 3x plus y equal to 4, x minus ay plus 7 equal to 0, and you have bx plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. You can use perpendicular property, we can use parallel property also. So we take first and second line. These two lines are inclined at 90 degree, means they are perpendicular. So we take first equation, that is 3x plus y is equal to 4. Make y the subject of formula. Y is equal to minus 3x plus 4. Compare it. Y is equal to mx plus c. m1 is equal to minus 3. The coefficient of x will give you the slope. Second equation. When we take second equation, x minus ay plus 7 equal to 0. Make y the subject of formula from this. You can do it directly if you want. If y is minus, you directly take it other side. X plus 7 is equal to a1. Therefore, y is equal to, divide both by a. X divides by a plus 7 divides by a. Compare it. Y equals to mx plus c. m2. It is 1 divides by a. And if you look at the figure here, first line is perpendicular to second line. So since the lines are perpendicular, m1 multiplied by m2 is minus 1. Substitute m1, minus 3. m2 is 1 divides by a, minus 1. Minus 3 divides by a is equal to minus 1. Cancel minus sign, cross multiply. 3 is equal to a. We know the value of a by looking at the diagram. They are perpendicular to each other. Similarly, we can calculate the value of b. So I am using this first equation and this one as second equation. Bx plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Make y the subject of formula. 2y is equal to minus bx minus 5. Y is equal to minus bx divides by 2 minus 5 divides by 2. Comparison with the standard equation of straight line. m2 is equal to minus b by 2. After getting the slope first line and third line are parallel to each other. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal and parallel to each other. So M1 is equal to M2. Slope from the first one is minus 3. Slope from the second one is minus b by 2. Minus sign cancels. Cross multiply, you get 6. Very simple. But question does not say they are perpendicular. By drawing the diagram, we come to know sides of the rectangle are inclined at 90 degree, means they are perpendicular, and opposite sides are parallel to each other. So please do practice this question. It is an important sum. Question directly does not say parallel and perpendicular. By looking at the condition, we understand they are parallel or perpendicular. Now look at question number 9. 9. Find the equation of a line which has y-intercept 4. Y-intercept is given in the question, which is equal to 4. And I have been telling you, with the help of x-intercept, y-intercept, we can write the coordinate of intercept. Coordinate will be equal to 0, 4. We require this, and is parallel to the given line. Given line is 2x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. So you need to calculate the equation of the line which has y-intercept 4 and parallel to the line here. So why is this line given? This line is given to calculate slope. You can do it directly. 2x minus 7 is equal to 3y. Therefore, y is equal to 2x divides by 3 minus 7 divides by 3. Compare it, you get m1, that is 2 by 3. We know the slope. You have to use the condition, since the lines are parallel to each other. Therefore, m1 is equal to m2. m1 is calculated slope, 2 divides by 3. And this m2 is required slope. So you need to change this m2 by m. Please do remember required slope. Once you know the required slope, you can calculate the equation now. Equation of the line. Y minus y1 is equal to m bracket x minus x1. That is the reason why we need coordinate of intercept. Y minus y1 is 4. Slope is 2 by 3. M stands for required slope. X minus 0. Cross multiply. 3 multiplies y minus 4 is equal to 2x. 3y minus 12 is equal to 2x. Arrange it either ways. 3y minus 2x minus 12 equal to 0. Equation of the line parallel to the given line has y-intercept 4. Or you could do like this. Y is equal to mx plus c. You can use this formula also. Y is equal to required slope is 2 by 3x plus C stands for y-intercept 4. You can simplify this. Y is equal to take LCM 3, you get 2x plus 12, cross multiply, 3y is equal to 2x plus 12. Arrange it, 3y minus 2x minus 12 equal to 0. Same answer will come. So choice is yours. You can use this or you can use this, y equals to mx plus c. So this is how we calculate equation of the line when we have x-intercept or y-intercept given and lines are parallel. Look at question number 10. Same question, but you have to use condition perpendicular. Find the equation of a straight line perpendicular to. Given equation is 2x plus 5y plus 7 equal to 0. Y-intercept is given minus 3 and I'm using coordinate, so coordinate of intercept will be 0, minus 3. There is a condition why I am using coordinate of intercept. I'll show you in next sum. Equation is given to calculate slope and you can directly calculate without making y the subject of formula. M equal to minus coefficient of x divides by coefficient of y. You can use this formula. M1 is equal to minus sign, coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y is 5. Directly you get slope as minus 2 by 5. But you get mixed up, your signs will be wrong. So use general steps to find the slope. 5y is equal to minus 2x minus 7. Y is equal to minus 2x divides by 5 minus 7 divides by 5. Comparison, y equals to mx plus c. M1, you have to write M1 because we are finding the slope with given equation. Minus 2 divides by 5. Once you get M1, then you have to write again, since the required line is perpendicular to given line. M1 multiplied by M2 is equal to minus 1. You have to write this. M1 you substitute, minus 2 divides by 5. And this M2 will be required slope. So you change it to M minus 1. Cancel minus sign. Required slope will be 5 divides by 2. 5 divides by 2. Or you can do directly if you want. First calculate M1. Therefore required slope minus reciprocal of this. Minus reciprocal of calculated slope. Minus 1 minus 2 divides by 5. Minus divides minus is plus, then you reciprocate, you get 2 by 5. But don't directly solve it. Follow the steps, it will be easier. So once you get the required slope, now equation. Therefore required equation. Required equation, y minus y1 equals to m bracket x minus x1. Y minus y1 is minus 3. Minus into minus is plus. Slope is 5 by 2. X minus 0. Cross multiply. 2 multiplies both. 2y plus 6 is equal to 5x. Arrange it. 2y minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Equation, or you can use y equals to mx plus c. The reason why I am writing this coordinate of intercept is for your practice, because question might ask you to calculate the equation which has x-intercept. You cannot do just with intercept. You need to write the coordinate of intercept. I'll change the question. Find the equation of a straight line perpendicular to the line. 3x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0, and having x-intercept equal to minus 2, suppose. You need to get the equation of a line perpendicular to this given line and has x-intercept minus 2. So whenever you have intercept given, please do write coordinate. It will be easy, and line will pass through this coordinate. It is minus 2, 0. You are given with equation, calculate slope. Equation is given to find the slope. 2y is equal to minus 3x plus 3. Y is equal to minus 3x divides by 2 plus 3 divides by 2. Compare it. M1 comes equal to minus 3 by 2. Do not write M. You have to write M1, since the required line is perpendicular to given line. M1 multiplies M2 is equal to minus 1. This condition we have to use to calculate slope of the required line. Minus 3 divides by 2 into M2 will change to M. Minus 1. Cancel it. M is equal to 2 divides by 3. Cross multiplication, making the subject of formula. Or you can solve directly from here. M1 is minus 3 by 2. Therefore, required slope M will be minus reciprocal of this. If it is minus, it will change to plus. Change it upside down. If it is plus, it will change to minus upside down. Therefore, required equation. Y minus y1 is equal to m bracket x minus x1. You can't use y equals to mx plus c, because c is y-intercept. You don't have x-intercept. So y minus y1 is 0. Slope is 2 by 3. Required slope. X minus into minus is plus 2. Cross multiply. 3y is equal to 2x plus 4. Arrange it. 3y minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. This is the equation of the line perpendicular to the given line and has x-intercept. With y-intercept you can solve. You can solve with x-intercept. One more question. Question number 11. Okay, I'll not do 11. I'll do number 12. 12 is similar to question number 10. 13 is also similar. Let's do question number 14. Mark this question, it's important. Question says that line 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 meets x-axis at A. Find the coordinate of A. So since this line is meeting x-axis at A, coordinate of intersection will be x, 0. A will have coordinate x comma 0. So we know abscissa ordinate, substitute here. 4x minus 3 into 0 plus 12 equal to 0. 4x plus 12 equal to 0. 4x equal to minus 12. X equals to minus 3. Therefore, A has coordinate minus 3 comma 0. If question says that meets y-axis, in the same equation, we put x0 and calculate the coordinate. Remember this condition. Second part of the question. Find the equation of the line passing through A and perpendicular to the given line. So again we write down the given line. We write down the given line and make y the subject of formula from this. So I'm just doing directly. 4x plus 12 equal to 3y. I'm taking minus 3 other side, changes to plus. Make y the subject of formula. 4x divides by 3 plus 12 divides by 3 is equal to y. Write down the formula. C plus mx equal to y. I'm just changing it. When we compare it, m1 comes equal to 4 divides by 3. Slope of the given line, since the required line is perpendicular to given line, m1 multiplied by m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 we know 4 by 3. Required slope is always taken as m minus 1. Cross multiply, m is equal to minus 3 by 4. As I told you, when you get m1, required slope m will be minus reciprocal of this. It is plus, so we put minus sign, reciprocate it. After getting this slope required equation, line is passing through A, so x1, y1, y minus y1 equals to n bracket x minus x1. Substitute y minus 0 is equal to minus 3 by 4, x minus into minus is plus 3. Simplify it. 4y is equal to minus 3x minus 9. Arrange it. 4y plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. So these are sums using perpendicular and parallel lines. There are some more sums I'll be doing in next video. Thank you very much. Stay safe.